hamstring smash. Now, this one you can do quite easily just on the floor doing a standard roll out of the hamstrings. But this time to smash that, we're going to use a bench just like we did with our pecs. Now, starting up from our butt bone, we're going to start right up near the edge there. And we're not just going to be rolling back and forth, we're looking at it working side to side as well. So really get in and work those hamstrings side to side, like you're moving a bundle of pencils that were all sort of rubber banded up together. We're just ungluing all those muscles there. As you move down the leg, bring that leg into flexion, straightening it out, and then bringing it back down again. Once you find a spot, rest on it, breathe through it. If at any point you notice yourself making that pain face, just relax and breathe and work through that muscle. 2 to 5 minutes each side should help you smash out the hamstrings.